Here's how to create an account for TurboTax 2025. So there's a link in the description. If you click that, it'll take you to this page, which is turbotax.com. And that's all you have to do. You also get 20% off if you click on that link, and it helps support this channel. Now you go up here to sign up once you're at turbotax.com, and then you're going to enter in an email address, a password, and also your phone number. After that, it's going to have you verify your phone number, and it'll probably also have you verify your email address. It's just going to send you a 6-digit code. You enter that and then hit continue. And after that, you're going to be on the landing page of TurboTax. So what it's going to do is guide you through the initial steps to kind of recommend a product for you. If you want to use TurboTax for free, then as you go through this, you want to actually not check mark anything that applies. You want to just hit continue and say you're comfortable doing your taxes on your own and hit continue again. And so it's not going to recommend anything for you, which means it actually lets you file your taxes for free as long as your tax situation complies with the free submission. So like there's certain things that they'll have to upgrade you on, but at least you get to start for free and then find out later if you have self-employment income and you have to maybe pay a little bit for a different product, etc. But this is how you can get started for free, and you can say start for $0, and then you can start to answer the questions of whether or not you filed taxes last year, had someone file for you, etc. So you've already created your account. You go through this and start filling out the questions, and TurboTax does a good job of just giving the questions to you to kind of go in sequential order for filing your taxes. It'll do federal first, and then it'll do state after that, and then you can e-file, and it's actually really easy. I've used TurboTax for a really long time. So that's how you can create a TurboTax account. There's a link in the description. It'll take you to that creation page. Once again, it saves you 20% if you do have to pay for your taxes, and it also helps out this channel. Thanks a lot. Let me know if you have any questions down below, and I'll see you in the next one.